purpose and the value that 9.09er Corporation are really, very Filipino-oriented, very student-friendly, no, Sir Irvin? Like, the way you talk about, because you experience it yourself.
Yeah.
You experience it yourself na it's very hard for us to earn money.
Yeah, and of course, parang for me, yung pinaka nag-stick sa akin sa sinabi ni Sir Irvin is they try to make it accessible for all Filipinos. And actually, while I was browsing sa Facebook page ni Sir Irvin, parang available nga sa Shopee yung mga books nila.
Yes.
So,
Diba?
one click lang, order lang. And it's door-to-door na. There
Yeah,
na.
dyan na siya.
And I just want to share din na parang I do want to study abroad then, and it's reassuring that may isang institution na nag-offer ng ganyang services and very accessible sa mga Filipinos.
Yeah.
Thank you for appreciating our efforts.
Discuss nyo kanina yung meaning ng 9.0. So, what does it really take to achieve that kind of score? Is it all about strategy or nasa student ba yan? Or is there something else that separates those who achieve a perfect score from the rest?
Good question. In 2017, I was sent by the British Council to Shanghai, China to attend this international conference on language assessment. And I asked one examiner, a senior examiner, probably one of the big bosses in Asia, what does it take for someone to get a 9 and what's the difference between 7 and 9? And here's the answer. There are a lot of people with good English. So that's 7 for them. But there are not a lot of people who sound smart when they are talking in English. So if they display intelligence, that's 9.0. So it's content that sets 7 and 9 apart from each other.
Yeah.
Let's admit it. There are people who are good in English, but they sound superficial or shallow.
Yeah.
So you don't expect someone to get 9.0. But if there are people who are rather deep and they respond directly to the question
Yes.
and they speak with substance or purpose, that's the 9.0. So, kailangan pala dagdagan ng katalinuhan para maka-9.
You really need wisdom.
May distinct talaga na the difference yung 7 and 9.
Anyway, Sir Irvin, achieving 9.0 scores in an exam is really a milestone for our student. No? But you mentioned also a while ago that 9.09er Corporation, you went beyond sa review lang ng students. What else? What services do you still offer for the students after they pass the exam?
Kasi ang ultimate goal nila is not just to pass an English exam. I mean, it's
correct.
super obvious. If they just want to know if they're good in English or not, they can just
Yeah.
take a free online exam.
Yes, yes.
But the reason why they came to us is because they have aspirations of going overseas. So after they pass the examination,
Yeah.
and I tell you, 65% of our reviewees don't know what to do with their results. They just enroll because they
Yeah.
know that English exam is required.
Requirement,
But
yes.
after that, what's next? That's why we work with partners like
Yeah.
AUG. So kunwari, sir, ito yung nakuha kong grades. Saang bansa yan pasado? Actually, pasado na yan sa student visa. Okay, sa Canada, kulang sa Australia. We have a partner, AUG, nasa Green Hills. You can talk to them, look for ganito, ganyan, banggitin nyo ng name ko. So, we guide them.
Yeah.
Because it's also an obligation or responsibility in our part na hindi sila pabayaan.
Yes.
Kesa umabot ng expiration yung kanilang result, we want to make sure they apply for a visa within 2 years before their result expires.
Yeah.
Kasi babalik na naman sa amin yan pag nag-expire ang result,
Correct,
di ba?
correct,
Kasi
correct.
naka-lifetime nga sila.
Yeah.
So, to answer your question, after nilang pumasa, that's when we refer them to our partners, like AUG for
Yes.
student visa.
Yeah. Sir, I have additional questions. Because you actually have review materials for different kinds of tests like IELTS or Pearson test of English, or sometimes you have MET pa. How do you recommend to the students what English tests do they need to take?
I asked them 3 questions.
Okay.
Where are you going? Which visa are you applying for? And what's your profession? And from there, I give them my straightforward recommendation. It's up to them if they are going to take my word for it.
Yes.
Because some people ask not to get the answer, but only to verify the chismis they have heard from their friend. So I tell them, ikaw pa rin magde-decide. Basta ito recommendation ko. I give reasons why. Pero ikaw naman may-ari ng buhay mo, ikaw ang masusunod. Itong akin is more of guide or advice lang. Ikaw pa rin ang magde-decide.
Like, imagine in just 3 questions, may recommendation na siya sa'yo. And of course, it's not subjective. Talagang based sa sagot mo. And alam mong nasa tamang lugar ka, nasa tamang tutorial center ka.
Well, anyway, Sir Irvin, as we wrap this video, do you have any advice to our Filipino students?
Pinaka-importante sa lahat, gumalaw ka. January, start of the year, ang laging mindset ng mga tao, naku, bagong taon na, nasa Pilipinas pa rin ako, gusto kong mag-abroad. Pero, hindi ka naman nag-i-inquire sa mga visa consultants, hindi ka nagpre-prepare para sa iyong English exam, hindi mo inaalam yung process. Tipong, ay, pagod ako today, bukas na lang yan. Ang pangarap ay mananatiling pangarap hanggat di ka gagalaw. Planning is good, but you have to act. Set a timeline. Kunwari, tell yourself, in 3 months, kailangan ko maipasa yung English exam ko. Next 3 months, kailangan maiprocess ko yung papers ko. Life is about timeline. Pero wag masyadong ma-pressure kasi minsan, ito yung plano natin, baka hindi mo pa panahon, baka sabihin ng Diyos, i-redirect muna kita, plan, pero wag masyadong dibdibin kung merong mga hiccups along the way. Anyway, kung English exam man yan, we are here to help you out. Kung student visa application man yan, here's AUG for you. So, yun lang, wag kalimutan na ilagay ang Diyos na laging kasama sa inyong process.
Wow!
Grabe
Thank you
naman.
so much for that one, Sir Irvin.
Thank you so much, Sir Irvin.
Yeah. Thank you so much, guys, for those who are watching right now. Again, this is your Counselor Apple,
And this is Counselor Van.
and this is an AUG podcast. Thank
Thank
you.
you.